everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hope you're all doing well. I am here to do another project share and it is a junk journal that I created using the cover of the classic book, The Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain. I love this book, though I did not include the original pages from the book because I use it for another project. This journal captures the spirit of adventure, reflection, and the timeless journey that Huck Finn embodies. So it is a celebration of creativity and nostalgia, and it is designed for those who appreciate the charm of a well crafted, eclectic journal. I really did enjoy making this journal, so I hope that you will stay till the end of this video and be with me when I do the flip through. So this journal measures 8.5 by 5.5 inches and it has two signatures. The signatures are sewn separately and bound to the fabric spine using a secure 5-hole stitch binding, allowing a 3/4 inch gap between them so the pages lay flat for easy writing. The spine is a unique element of this journal. So the original size was 1 inch and I extended the spine to a sturdy 2 inches with satin ribbon and reinforced with fabric and stitching. So I tried to maintain the original spine's charm while enhancing its durability. There are 208 pages front and back, filled with a delightful mix of pockets, tucks, vintage papers, replicas, journaling cards, and my own handmade inserts. And each page is thoughtfully embellished with butterflies, florals, and inspiring quotes, bringing a vibrant and uplifting experience to your journaling. The addition of Victorian mansions and ladies adds a nostalgic touch, reflecting the diverse, reflective journey similar to Huck's exploration of the world. I also have plenty of space for thoughts and memories here. I added embossed cardstock, fabric trims along the edges, and also use a varied color palette. So from soft pastels to vibrant pink hues. And then I included crinkled seam bindings from my shop. For the closure, I used a piece from a cotton fabric and added this very pretty charm. This journal is perfect for all seasons and it is a mix of themes which makes it suitable for year round reflection, memory keeping, or creative exploration. And even without the original pages, this journal embraces the essence of Huck Finn's adventures and it invites you to embark on your own creative journey, making it a meaningful companion for your thoughts and inspirations. So, this is going to be listed in my Etsy shop. If you are interested, the link will be in my description. And I would like to know what you think about this project. Please leave me a comment down below. And once again, I'd like to thank all of you for supporting my channel and my work. I am going to do the flip through now and just play some music. I'm sending you love and light. God bless you. Thanks again for watching. am back. We're on the last few pages. I hope that you like this project. Please let me know what you think. And once again, this is going to be in my Etsy shop, and I will provide the link in my description. So leave me a comment down below. I really appreciate all your support. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.